Hello, my name is Rob Blesson, and I wanted to show everybody that may have purchased an LG stove. In this case, it's a really nice double oven, and we really like the way it functions and everything else. But there's a design flaw. We've only owned the oven here for a little over a month, and this has happened 3 times. And it has to do not with necessarily you would have, your pots and pans on the oven, but there are times, say, you bring home your groceries. In this case, here's something from Sam's Club, okay? And you bring it home, and you just set the box down on the stove, and what happened there is it turned on the burner. So now your box is sitting there on the burner, and you may not notice it. Okay, so I've already reported this to the GM over at Best Buy, and I wanted to make this video for her to show her how easy that happens. And so the third time was last night. My roommate needed a ride. If I hadn't come down at just that second, she had bought some stuff from the dollar store in a box they gave her, set it down on the stove, and the bottom of the box was on fire. All right, if I hadn't walked in within that 10 seconds to give her, the ride that she wanted, this whole area would have been up in flames with everything that was in the box. The other 2 times that it happened, okay, one time I was doing just a package, because I have a small business and I ship from home, and you wouldn't think of it, but it's just a standard large U.S. Postal Service box. Sit there, set it down. It clips it just enough because these stick up just enough above here where the box, any kind of box, is going to clip and turn that oven on. Okay, say there's a kid with breakfast cereal. The other time was a pizza box, okay? So you bring your pizza in, you set it down on the oven, it clips this, just enough. It doesn't take very much, and you got burners on all over the place. Now you, and if it had to happen 3 times, last night was frightening. I mean, I was literally, there was a guardian angel looking over us, all I can say. Now in the comments section, I'm sure there'll be some flamethrowers, okay? But if you own this oven, it's very easy to make this, I guess it would be a mistake. I don't know if it'd be covered under insurance. That's the other thing, right? Because you're not supposed to, in theory, put a box on a stove, but the way they've set it up, it's easy to clip the on-off dials on this particular oven. And I showed Vince over there at Best Buy and the appliances, not only this model, but they had a couple more models, same idea. So in my opinion, LG needs to re-engineer these dials and this whole configuration so that they are just a little bit lower, so you can't just put a box in that it clips it. So I'm hoping this is going to save somebody's life out there. And I am going to forward it to LG Corporate. And I thought I would put it up on my YouTube channel just to raise awareness. I am not looking for anything out of this, okay? I'm just trying to help people see that there's a problem and hopefully save somebody's life, because this is something that could happen to anybody and them not even realize it. Even the most brilliant people on the planet. So have a great day. And I'm signing off. Thank you. Sorry about the low production quality of the video, but I'm just kind of winging it here. I've got a ton of things on my plate. I took time out of my busy day to actually go to Best Buy and show this to them immediately. It needed to happen. Thank you. And here's the GM's card to prove it. Okay. There's once more the ashes. Still ashes on the floor. Okay. Cheerio. Bye-bye.